What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and today I'm here with another video. So I am doing a hair tutorial on this curly, kinky curly ponytail, and it is a low ponytail. It was so easy. It literally took me like 5 minutes to do, and you'll see that here in the video. I know my girls are looking for something nice, simple, and easy to do, and something that is protective and is not going to damage their hair. So when I have not bad hair days, but if I don't really feel like doing much to my hair, I'll usually go in and do like a ponytail or something. That's usually my go-to, and I just decided to do something different today. I kind of pictured it in my head first, and it definitely came out to be a hit. I'm loving it, and it's giving me old school type drama. Like, I love it. It's really nice and big and fluffy. So yes. So yeah, so I wanted to show you all how I did it. I know it's going to be very quick, but that's what y'all like, right? So comment down below if you like quick videos and quick easy hairstyles, and I will definitely keep them coming. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you are a loyal subscriber and you've been here for a while, thank you too. So don't forget to subscribe to Ktura Kay channel as well as the Pretty Couture channel. Do both. And I want you all to check out my nails too. These are my Pretty Couture luxury press on nails. Yes, I have a press on nail line, and I make these bad boys from scratch, so they're made to order. So check out my website, and also check out the lashes. I'm having a sale right now on my strip lashes, and these that I'm wearing are called Glow, and they were named after my puppy that passed away this summer when I was in Spain. So yeah, I named those after her, and it's GLO. So you'll see those on the site as well. I'll link that down below. So enough rambling. Let's get into this really cute, kinky, curly hair look, baby, and let's get started. So I am starting off with my natural hair. My hair is a little wet, so it is very shrunken, and as you can see, and I also did get a haircut, but I'm going to be using the Swagoo by The Do, and I am going to be using this as my styler. I'm also using a regular brush, and I'm taking a little bit of that Swagoo and placing it on my hair and brushing it in. And as you can see, it works really well. I was actually shocked because not a lot of gels hold my hair because my hair is so soft, but I really like how it held up. I have a little problem area in the front. That little piece right here that you see like in the front, like that little piece curls up so much every time I wear a swoop or something like that. But this came out really cute. Like, I would literally wear my hair like this in uniform with the little bun in the back, and it actually came out really nice just like this. So if you want a nice slick bun, The Do is definitely for you. I liked it. So now I'm going to go in with this Dominican Curly by Outre, and this is actually a half wig. So it has clips in it already, and I'm going to take the combs and place that on top of the bun that I have in the back of my head. So it's really big and voluptuous, so be prepared for that dramatic look if you use this particular half wig, but you can use any half wig that you have. And I am taking those clips and bobby pinning it just to secure it down. And now I'm taking a little bit of the hair and I'm brushing it down because I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail to basically hide any like track or anything like that that you may see, and just to make it look more realistic. So I'm taking that, wrapping it around. This was a really big ponytail, y'all, so it was a lot. And I'm bobby pinning that down, and really that's it. This is a very simple look for a protective style. I like doing protective styles. Like I said, I like to do this when I don't really have anything else to do with my hair. And this styler really worked pretty good. I wanted to use something different. So you see, I am loving this. So if you want a quick hairstyle, then this is definitely for you, honey.
So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.